Hi everybody, it's me, Carrie. I am making a very quick video because I have family coming over on Tuesday. So I will not be able to be live, which I had planned. So we're going to be using the Swedish cherries stamps and punch. Yes, I know my fingernails are breaking off, so be prepared for messy fingernails for a little bit. Okay. Just wanted to get that out of the way. All right, so I am using some Celebration Designer Series paper. It's called Sunny Days, and it's really awesome. They come in 12 by 12. Poppy Parade, Basic White, and Shaded Spruce. Those are all the things I'm going to be using. So let me punch out a few things real quick. I am going to punch out a cherry bottom. And I already have another one punched out. And then I'm taking my shaded spruce. And, boy, this just barely fits, doesn't it? In fact, it only fits for part of it. So, there we go. Okay, so I have all of my pieces punched. Super simple. I've already got my sentiment stamped or ready on the stamp, on the block. I'm trying to rush because my phone must be full because it's telling me I only have a few minutes of tape available, which is craziness. So I am doing Sweet Birthday Wishes. Oh, all right. That's what happens when you don't put a piece of foam underneath. Your photopolymer really does need to have something underneath it. Our new glass mat works awesome too, but it's over on my other desk. Okay, I'm still having a little trouble with that. But it's okay. I can fix it. Okay, we're going to see if this works. I am going to take some ink that's already in the ink pad and a blending brush, blender pen, I guess it's called. And I'm going to just try and use it to color in. And it is working. So if you don't have a stamp positioner like the old and awesome Stamparatus that we all miss so much, right? Then you can do this coloring in. I'm going to pause this because I don't want to run out of tape time. Okay, so there you go. It's still not like perfect. I mean, you can keep playing with it if you want to get it even darker. That is totally up to you. I tend to like it, just accept it and move on. But you know me, you know how I feel about perfection. So anyway, just remember to clean off your blending brush when you're done. So there we go. We've got that piece. This is 3 by 4. This piece of Poppy Parade is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, and it's going to be matted. So let me do that real quick. I do not want to run out of time here. There we go. And you saw that the card base is basic white. I have some more Poppy Parade that I am going to use to mat this Designer Series paper before I put it on the front of the card. I love that we sometimes get paper like this celebration paper that goes with an old, not old, but you know what I mean, a already current stamp set, like this Swedish cherry set. It's like perfect to go with it, right? So you're going to want to fold your card in half, and I forgot my bone folder, so we're going to, you guys know I have this thing about really flat ones, so we've got to just fake it today. I'll flatten it out before I take a picture to post. So then this is going to go on the front like so. And then the sentiment piece. This is a really fast one. I'm hoping you guys are all busy. Some of you might be doing those after Christmas sales shopping. So I'm not expecting a lot of live views today, which is, in my opinion, totally understandable. So I've already put together one sweet little cherry. So I want this stem to go in the opposite direction of that stem because I'm going to hook them together. So you saw I just put a little bit of dot of liquid glue, perhaps a little too big of a dot of liquid glue. And then this one I am going to put down flat along with my stem. And it is going to go right like so. Okay, and then this one, I am going to use some dimensionals on the back of my sweet cherry here. Put one so it's on the leaf. And I'm going to put just a little dot of glue, if it will let me today. There we go. And I am going to let that one be popped up, but I want them to kind of be together, like so. And I'm going to put a little leaf right there. I know leaves are not usually right up there, so maybe I should just go ahead and keep it down here. Then I have another one. Right there. And there you go. Super simple, super sweet birthday wishes made with the sweetest cherries and the cherry builder punch. So super simple card today. I hope you guys all had a wonderful and happy Merry Christmas. If you celebrated Hanukkah last week, I hope that was wonderful for you as well. And I know there are a lot of other holidays that come around this time. Forgive me, I am unaware of most of them. So I wish you all sweet happiness. And I hope you guys liked this super fun and simple card. And of course, you can do the inside too. So, all right. Happy Christmas and a happy upcoming new year. I'll be back with some lives very soon and showing you all of the wonderful new products like this fabulous celebration paper. Bye.